You guys, another Colourpop order arrived and I'm so excited. Hi guys, my name is Messy here on YouTube. I do cleaning motivation, planner videos, and everything in between, including beauty and skincare. Today I'm doing another Colourpop haul. I won't be showing you the bag because it has my address on it and all that good jazz, but I am so excited. So Colourpop did just have a, oh goodness, I think it was 35% off sale. So I stocked up on product. I know I shouldn't have. I'm going to be moving in a couple weeks. What am I doing? But I couldn't stop myself. I thought it was a great time to stock up on product, try some new items out, and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure that all notifications are set to on by clicking that great bell icon. Once you do that, we can go ahead and begin. Alrighty, so I have this with me, and the first item is Ice Ice Baby, and I don't really know what this means. I just think it's a cute little thing because it doesn't have anything on the back. I don't really know why I think it's just to show how to contact them because it has their social medias, but we don't care about that, do we? No, we don't. Also, before I get into it, I do have like a $5 off or 20% off code down in the description below. Also, you can find it in my bio on Instagram. So go ahead and use that if you're going to be making an order. Get some money off. It's really beneficial. Anytime I can save money, I do. Obviously, because I just made this purchase when there was a sale. I got eyeliners, 4 of them. Let's go ahead and open them. So the very first one I have here is Venus. And it is a bright red. I wanted to get this because I've been into monochromatic looks, and I just got the watermelon palette, the main squeeze palette from them. That was in my last Colourpop haul. I'll have it linked in the iCard above. And I wanted to get a red eyeliner to complement it. So that is what that looks like, and I absolutely adore it. I won't be using it all the time, but hopefully I'll have a watermelon tutorial coming up soon, and I'll be using that product. So look out for that. The next one is called Best O, and it is a, oh goodness, yes! I want to say a cranberry color, but it's a dark purple. So it's like, you're not going to pick that up, are you? It's a dark cranberry color, and I wanted this because I have this little guy, and then I wanted this. So this is not black. I know it looks like that on camera. It's not. It's a purple, but I wanted a darker eggplant look. That's actually the color, eggplant. And I wanted it actually today. I have a little bit of dark purple, dark plum in the outer corner, and I thought this would really accent it well, but I thought this would just totally not look good with it, so I just went ahead and bought a darker shade. So I'm really excited about that. I'll get a lot of use out of it. I actually have been looking for that shade, and today even I was like, oh, I wish, you know, Colourpop had that shade, but unfortunately I'll have to buy it from another brand. Nope. I'm happy. The next one is Teaspoon, which you know I do. Oh no, no. No! I bought 2 of the same one. I'll have to return that. Dang it! Okay, well that's just that. I'll return that one. I should have, I made the thing and I didn't think about it. And then another one I got. I guess that there was the kind of theme with the purples. If I could get this out of the box. It is a lavender. Do you see that, y'all? It's so pretty. Oh. No. I think we're fine. 1 second. There's some color discoloration, but I think it might just be, no, this might be expired. Y'all, I'm not gonna be happy. No, I'm just kidding. Like, no, Okay, cool. So it's not expired because this one's the same way. So it just has a little bit of texture. I don't think it's expired. I think it's just how the pigment blended. But it is a lilac color, and I thought this on its own, I've been obsessed with this light shade of purple, and so I thought just this as a winged liner look and nothing else on the eye would look so pretty. I don't know about you guys, but I thought that'd be really cute. Alright. And then I don't know if I don't know when my other order is going to get here, because I was going to do a whole big thing, but, hi Alice. But I did buy every single one of their loose pigments. And when I mean loose pigments, I mean I bought everything. I bought the whole set, and then I bought the whole set of, hi! And then I bought the whole set of glitters. So I saw a tutorial, actually Patrice from Unique Gifts, she is my collaboration partner. I am part of the Unique Squad with her, and she sent me a video of a tutorial with the main squeeze palette, and I think they used one of these in the tutorial, but I'm not quite sure. So I needed to pick them up. I could have just picked one up, but I don't know which one they used, so I just picked up all of them. I got it on sale. So yeah, it was a better deal. I was like, well, if I'm gonna pick them up, I might as well just pick them up now. So I got all of them. They come like so. They have a pretty top. Now this is a lot of color. Pigments are incredibly pigmented. You need a little bit. This is also glitters, so I don't want to like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do swatches at the ends, but this one is in, it's a white. I'm actually planning a look with this as well, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a holiday look for Christmas, and ooh, okay, Colourpop. So something I just realized is they don't have the names on the pigments, which is going to be a pet peeve of mine, because I can't tell you what shades I'm using, nor can I tell you, I mean, I guess I can tell you the price and everything, but I just can't tell you what shade. Oh wait, I lied, completely lied to you. It's a white pigment and they wrote in white, so I can't see it, but everything else has it on there. I just couldn't see it because it was white, and this says Far Out Loose Glitter. So it's really exciting. That's the white one. This one, ooh, this one's like a holographic silver, if you guys can see that. Okay. And this one is in Gotta Jet. I cannot wait to do some tutorials on these looks. I literally just can't. So the next one is Or Bust, and it's a yellow. And they just came out with a yellow palette. I don't think that I am going to purchase it as of right now. I don't love yellow on the eyes. On me. I haven't really seen a lot of looks with yellow, so maybe I will change that opinion very soon. But I thought that would be fun. Again, you know, you never know. And then it's either between, I think they used the other one, but I didn't know. This is in Flying Squirrel, which is so funny. It is a pink with a gold glitter, if that makes sense. So a pink with a gold thingy. So yeah. And then the next one I think is what they used on the eye, and this is Ticket or Ride, and this is an orangey, fiery orange with gold and orange and red and pink, and it is gorgeous. Again, I'll have swatches at the ends. And then the next one is a pink holographic, I think. It's called Take Me There. And this is a beautiful pink champagne-y kind of thing. So, and then I have a basic silver. I have glitter all over my hands. Basic silver, just pretty solid. And this is in the color The Roxy. So yeah. I'm upset I did not get the big one. I'll have to see where that's at. But I wanted to get on here and tell you guys about what I bought from Colourpop. I'll have to return this green one, but other than that, I'm really happy with my purchases. I can't wait for the tutorials. Look out for those, and I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to subscribe to my and follow my Instagram over here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!